Hi guys, this is regarding CA Final Advanced Auditing May 2023 or even November 2023 students. Very recently, I have uploaded, a CA Final Audit related video for May 23 recordings, but there was a slight hours computational error that happened. See, earlier, when we launched originally edition 1, at that time, we are having 140 to 150 hours approximately, but as a safe side, we always tell to students 10 hours extra. But recently we have edited a few videos and re-uploaded into the Google Drive almost some 3-4 months ago. Now the full course is coming to 130 hours. The full course is coming to 130 hours, whereas the smart course is coming to 100 hours. Like, just if in case you have already watched my previous flyers, previous promo flyers, here you will be finding 160, whereas in smart course you will be finding 120. See, that number of hours were given by keeping 20% margin. By keeping 20% margin always. Suppose if at all our estimated recordings will be some 130, 135, we always keep some 20% margin and then give it extra duration so that the student will understand what is the maximum duration. But this time we decided not to keep such margin. Okay, because many students are some students are feeling confused and some students are feeling 160 hours is too lengthy. What is the actual content size? The actual content size is 130 hours for full course, whereas the actual content size for smart course is 100 hours. And for your information, this is only an approximation. Approximation means what? 10% variation might come. Maximum variation will be 10%, either plus or minus. The reason is every 6 months we will replace few chapters with a new version. Whenever we are replacing few chapters with the new version videos, what happens is, suppose in the previous version we have done it for 10 hours, now it will come for 8 hours or it may come for 12 hours. So we always keep a margin of 10%. So once again, I'll conclude. Full course duration actually is 130 hours. Smart course duration is 100 hours. By the way, I am talking about only main lectures. Main lectures means what? The regular course lectures. Now you'll be having some doubts that what is full course, what is smart course, all that I'm going to talk in this video. May 2023 and November 2023 aspirants can watch this video. Even if you are my old student, like who have already enrolled for the classes and watching, if you find this video, please watch it till the end. You'll also get more clarity without any confusion. Now, so by the way, what are the resources that we give? First of all, at CA Final Audit, we have two types of courses. As I spoke clearly, one is full course, another one is smart course. So what is the difference exactly? In full course, we are having 22 chapters, whereas in smart course, we are having 14 chapters. Like, what is smart course and full course? Full course means a proper regular course covering 100% syllabus, whereas smart course covering 2/3 syllabus. Smart course idea is nothing but, if at all you do not have time, if at all you are at the last minute before the exam, you can't study 100% syllabus, but you want to study that portion of syllabus with which you can minimum secure 45 marks, minimum. Though it's a risky adventure, but it's a high guaranteed, high probability, there's a high probability that you will definitely succeed. So that strategy. In every chapter, studying 60% syllabus or 70% syllabus is a very dangerous strategy. Whereas ignoring some chapters and studying 2/3 of the chapters 100% perfectly is a very safest strategy. Because you see, May 2022 examination, one of the tough, even I did a paper analysis video at the time. What happened, in every chapter they asked questions from remote corner, which generally students think it is C category or B category. That's why what I always suggest, in fact 1 year before I suggested this approach, 2 years before I suggested at CA Indoor, what I suggest to every student is, don't ignore few topics in every chapter. No, don't do that. Ignore few chapters directly. Whatever 15-12 chapters you are studying out of 20, 100% you study without ignoring a single topic, single concept, so that even if the paper is very advanced, asked questions from remote corners within the chapter, you can definitely answer without any worry and secure minimum 45 to 50 marks. So that is the strategy that we adopt in smart course. Whereas full course means 100% syllabus, which is zero risk, strategy. There is no risk at all. If you 100% watch these 130 hours of lectures approximately, which we give, and in addition to that, see, I want to make to my students a one-stop solution. Like you're taking classes with me regular and again searching for fast track or revision classes at somebody, marathon at somebody, MCQs at somebody. No, I don't want such kind of confusion among my students especially. So what I want is every student, whoever is enrolling with me, will get main lectures, will get guidance on how to prepare. While I'll be covering this in the class itself, I will only give you 27 hours approximately revision lectures additionally. Within this 130, this 27 is not included. And I will only give you additional MCQ videos of 13 hours. Already some 4-5 hours were uploaded. Still some 8 hours is pending in the Google Drive, which we will do by December end mostly. Okay. These additional 27 hours lectures, which I have recorded in the recent revision class I have taken at Chennai. Okay. We have recorded is 27 hours. We are giving it for our full course students. Even for smart course students also, we are giving this offer. Okay. Right now we are giving revision lectures of 27 hours additionally, in addition to promised main lectures. In addition to that, we are giving that, and MCQ videos also we are going to give. And now, what is the order in which you have to study, and what is the pricing for this? So all that I'm going to cover. Please listen till the end. Another 4-5 minutes, the video will be concluded. Now, so what are all the things that you get upon enrolling? First of all, full course, the price tag is 9,500. For a smart course, the price tag is 7,500. So this is the price. Now, what will you get by paying this price? First of all, the main difference between full course and smart course is the number of chapters. In smart course, we will give you 14 chapters full content, whereas in full course, we will give you all 22 chapters full content. By the way, I'll come to the 22 chapters list, all that, a little while later. Now, first, what are all the things that you are going to get? Here I clearly mentioned you will get hard copy of main material. This is a black and white material where you will be having 3 modules and 1 question bank, which will be covering some past examination questions from 2019 November, not 2019 also, 2019 May onwards. Getting it? Then you will also get hard copy colored smart notes. Colored smart notes hard copy we are giving it free only for those students who are enrolling after October 20. Whoever have enrolled before October 20, we have not given colored copy smart notes to them, because at that time the price is lesser. At the that time, notes is not given, revision lectures are also not given. Only for those students who are enrolling from October, we are straightway giving it as a full package. So we are giving you revision lectures, we are giving you colored smart notes, and we are giving you main material and main lectures. So what will you get upon enrolling, whether it is full course or smart course? What will you get? You will be getting books. So how many books? Main material, and colored notes. Colored notes is 1 A5 size book, small module, novel type modules. Module 1, 1A, 2, and question bank. Here 4 books you'll be getting. Totally you'll be getting 5 books in the bundle. Okay. Then you will be getting Google Drive link. You will be getting Google Drive link via email on the same date on which you made the payment. So Google Drive link you will be getting. Like for you, I'll also show you, if possible, Google Drive link, how the lectures are, how the lectures looks like I'll just show you how the file arrangement is. Just a minute. So I'll just show you for full course. See, you will be getting Google Drive link, right? So as soon as you get the link, this is how the interface looks like for you. So as soon as you open the Google Drive link in the mail you got, so there is an order video, chapter order. What is the order in which you have to study? And there is a must watch introduction video. What is there in this? Instructions video will be there, and how you need to watch the videos. An important video will be there. So initially in the 0 folder itself, you will be containing the guidance about how to approach for the subject. Then module 1 lectures means you have module 1 material, right? We have created separate folder for lectures. Module 1A lectures, module 2 lectures, question bank lectures, revision lectures, MCQ lectures. And for your reference, the material soft copy is also given for you. Smart note soft copy, main material soft copy. Even for few standards, there is a handwritten notes. So that is also given to you at free of cost, which is soft copy. And by the way, by joining, you'll be getting hard copy bundle already. In addition to that, soft copy also we are giving. So this smart notes, getting it. So here it is there. Actually, the smart notes and software folder you can ignore. In the material folder, sorry, In the material folders itself, you will be finding the smart notes, all that. So this is how the drive structure. The same thing will be for smart course as well. Now you see module 1 lectures, if you open, there are lectures chapters, and you see here there is one folder called last priority chapter. Same way, if you open module 1A, there is a chapter called last priority chapter. Module 2, if you open, I don't think in module 2 we have last priority. All are first priority chapters only in module 2. Like, what is this? I'll show you now. See, as per ICA material, we are having totally, 18 chapters. We are having totally 18 chapters. Whereas in our material, we are having totally 22 chapters. We are having 22 chapters in our material. For your information, I'll even show you the index. So this is the material you are going to get, by the way. So in the module 1, first page is index page. What is the chapter number as per ICA material? What is the chapter number in our material? So this is index. And in which order you have to prepare, is also given. So what is the order in which you have to prepare? You have to watch the lectures, you have to prepare later on, that is also given. This is updated for May 23, November 23. Even if at all you're an old student of mine and followed a different order, from now on try to follow this order for your preparation at least. Now, so first you need to, these are the chapters you need to watch. At first stretch, you need to watch these chapters. Before I go with this, sir, you said there are 2 courses, right? One is full course, another one smart course. Now, what chapters in smart course it is not covered? In smart course, out of 22, these 7 chapters are not covered. See, actually, there is one chapter out of 22, one chapter is there, which is schedule 3 chapter, which we are not giving videos for anybody because it is completely an FR subject. It is completely dealt in depth in FR. So rest we are having 21. Out of 21, these are the 7 chapters which we are not giving for smart course. So which means smart course is for 14 chapters. So liabilities of audit, there is a chapter, 4 marks weightage chapter. NBFC audit, there is a chapter called, the weightage is around 5 marks. Audit strategy planning program, it's around 5 marks. Risk assessment is maximum of 8 marks. Audit in automated environment, 5 marks. Both together maximum 10 marks again, maximum. And this is CA inter videos, SA 500, 230, 240, 530, 520. In ICS study material of CA final, there is a chapter called audit strategy. In that chapter, go to the last page. They will tell you, please refer CA inter material. Means they're expecting you to read in depth those standards, for which they're asking you to refer CA inter material, which contains a detailed picture on those chapters. That's why what I am doing, I'm giving you CA inter material, CA inter videos for those standards. An audit of consolidated financials. For these chapters, smart course students will not be getting videos. Whereas full course students will get videos for all these chapters, except one chapter, that is schedule 3 chapter. Schedule 3 we are not giving for anybody. Okay. Now, actually, we are going to do certain chapters we are going to replace by January. Certain chapters we are going to replace by January. Whoever have enrolled with us for the classes in the past 3-4 months, I'm doing this video in the 4th week of November. Whoever has enrolled to these auditing classes in the past 3-4 months, you'll be having validity of 6 months or 8 months, right? By January mid, I'm going to replace these videos. Some standards, these videos I'm replacing. Professional ethics full chapter I'm replacing. Quality review full I'm replacing. Liabilities of auditor I'm replacing. This entire CA inter material and videos I'm going to replace. And case-based MCQs we are going to upload newly, and we are also going to upload past examinations, suggested answers of 21, December 21, May 21, November 22. Getting it? So these are the things which you are going to get by mid of January 2023. Right now, all these recordings, existing version we have. Getting it? So you can continue watching them. There are no amendments, no changes. Just for the sake of betterment, for the sake of improvement, for the sake of even better simplification, we are re-recording these chapters. Sir, what about rest of the chapters? They were all recorded in 2022 from February onwards. Somewhere in January or February, we have started and completed in June or July. So almost all the chapters that you find are edition 22. These chapters which we have recorded in 2021 at last, we are now going to replace and upload by January 2023. By the way, ICI has not released, make a note, ICI has not released new audit material for May 23, November 23. ICI has last time released auditing material in October 2021. The same material is applicable for May 23, November 23. So, sir, is your material updated? First of all, ICI itself has not updated. So, obviously, my material is also in line with ICI material. What about amendments? Amendments we are covering through revision videos. Amendments we are covering while discussing about RTP. That's it. And for your information, this is a subject of audit. Hardly amendments for every exam is going to be 1 hour or 2 hours, not more than that. That's it. And that too, in audit, in which chapter amendments might come, there is a chapter called corporate governance. There is a chapter called corporate governance and audit committee. Only in this chapter amendments will come, because corporate governance contains something called LODR, SEBI regulations. Only in that chapter amendments will be there. Those amendments we are going to do recording and then give it to you, giving it to you at free of cost. So that's it. So this is about the course. Now the order in which you need to study, we will guide you. What are the books that you are going to get? You understood. How many lectures you are going to get? How many hours you are going to get? You understood. Revision lectures and MCQ lectures, additionally, we are giving it to you complementarily, and that fact I already spoke. So why wait? Start very soon. You can take your friends' advices. And sir, I want to watch some demo video of yours. I want to have an idea about how you take up the class. In the same YouTube channel, you will find marathon classes, or you're watching this video, right? Below description is there. Below description, you will find YouTube video links of revision classes, all that. Just watch it. You will realize how pretty, how clear the classes will be. Ask our existing students. They will tell you how clear the classes will be, how interesting. Audit is not a boring subject. Audit is not a boring subject. It is the people who do not understand the subject make it bore. Getting it? I have worked in many companies' internal audits. I had a very good, proper, strong exposure in articleship. I even pursued DISA. It's an information systems audit course, bit advanced course than after CA, post qualification course. So I'm telling you, you're going to get absolute clarity in the subject like anything. I will even challenge, you can sit with any other student who have not taken class with me, and if you start a debate on the subject, you are going to win for sure. So this kind of confidence I'll give you. I think it. Finally, once I'll brush up. Okay. So what are the things like full course? We are having 130 hours. Full course 130 hours, main lectures, revision lectures 27 and 13. So hardly complete package. Main lectures, revision lectures, MCQs all together 170. Again, I'm telling you here, 5 to 10% variation might come, because I'm going to replace the new videos. How many hours it will exactly come, I'm not sure. So some 5 to 10% margin you always expect. And smart course is 100 hours, where you'll be getting 14 chapters. It will have 6 months validity, 1.5 view. Whereas full course students, we are giving 8 months validity and 1.5 view. And if at all you want 1.8 view, actually standard fees is what? 9,500. If you want 1.8 view, 1,000 rupees extra, means 10,500. If you want 2 views, 9,500 plus the 2,000, which is 11,500. So that's it. I hope you got absolute clarity on what you're going to get. So previously you have seen my old flyers, which will have different hours numbers and all. Please ignore. This is the final video, and these are the final details for May 23 and November 23. That's it. Have a nice time. Take care. And by the way, one more thing. Some students are asking me, sir, fast track classes. Let us learn based on fast track classes. Fast track classes are only, they can only help you to brush up the concept if you already learned. It cannot be a source of learning. You see a regular class, best example, there is a chapter called ethics. Ethics in my regular class, for old videos, 17, 18 hours it was there. New videos will come 13, 14 minimum. Whereas in revision, we cover it within 3.5 hours. So much of content we skip in fast track. So don't prefer shortcuts, crash course, fast track. You are thinking fast track means I'll finish faster and start preparation. No. For me, watching classes itself is preparation. After watching the classes, reading is there. That's a revision. That's not preparation. That's a revision. In such a way, especially if it is my class, if it is my auditing classes, My classes you feel like a preparation straight away, regular class, because I explain you the concept, I read line by line and connect you with all the conceptual discussion that we had. It. So don't make delay, start as soon as possible, and target May 2023. 60 plus is your target. A nice time. All the best.